Hey there, math gurus. Today's video, we're going to focus on creating a stem and leaf plot from a set of data. It comes directly from TEK 6.12a. So in this example, it says create a stem and leaf plot using the following data. These are points that are scored in football games. If you notice, they're not in ascending order. So the first thing I have to do is put them in ascending order. That's basically putting them in order from least to greatest. So for the number 6, I'm going to put a 0 in my stem and then a 6 for my leaf. And then I have another 6. I'm going to put a little bit of space and put a 6. And then I'm going to put 7, 7, 9, 9. We're not using any commas, we're just using some space in between. The next numbers, they start with the 1. So I'm going to put the 1 for my stem and 4 for my leaf. And then this means 14. Now, I'm going to put another 4 because that's another 14, and then I'm going to put a 7 because this means 17. So my next stem is going to be 2 because I have a 20, 4 21s, 1 24, 2 28s. Well, I put them too close together. Let's fix that. Okay, the last stem is going to start with a 3 because we have 30, 31, 34, and 35. So 3 is in my stem, and then I have a 0 for my leaf, a 1, a 4, and a 5. So keep in mind that this means 34. I hope this video helped.